Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO Freddie Mercury. Firstly, you'll want some plain white legs. The torso I used comes from the Yavin Luke Skywalker. The head comes from this big Starklighter minifigure. And finally, the hair comes from General Zod. Building the minifigure correctly should result in one that looks like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're putting it together. Overall, I'm quite happy with how this minifigure has turned out, and I hope everyone else is as well. I wanted to make it different from the standard vest that I see a lot of people make him with, and I think I've done okay. If you found this tutorial useful, I would recommend subscribing and maybe giving this video a like if you haven't done either of those already, and maybe give a suggestion for something you want to see in the future. If you enjoyed this video, you might want to check out my tutorial on how to make a LEGO Elvis, which I will put on the end screen now.